Before installing our workpiece, it's important to measure the thickness of the workpiece using the provided digital calipers. In this particular case, the dimension is 0.47 inches. I'll just note that information for later. Workpieces are placed directly onto the carvey work surface, always ensuring that the workpiece is firmly moved into the lower left-hand corner against the locating bracket. Take the upper portion of the locating bracket, which is connected by a wire to the machine, placing it above the workpiece. If the locating bracket is installed next to the workpiece, it will cause the machine to malfunction and you will not be able to cut correctly. Retainer screws in a variety of lengths are included in the toolkit. Insert the retainer screws through the holes and firmly tighten them to retain the bracket. Once the corner brace has been installed, you will need to install additional retainers around the perimeter of your workpiece. An assortment of edge retainer screws, supports, and clips are included in the toolkit. Choose the appropriate length screws and supports, placing the support opposite the workpiece, and then placing the clip such that it engages the support, and a screw can be inserted through the clip and into one of the threaded recesses on the cutting surface. Again, tighten the screws until it firmly secures the workpiece. Now that we've got our supports installed, including retaining the workpiece in several places around its perimeter, it's important to check to make sure that the clips do not overhang the back of the cutting surface. Because the cutting surface moves back and forth on its own, the computer has no way of knowing if the clips overhang. They can collide with the back of this machine.